Hi everyone, welcome to Panchatantra Programming's tutorial for Scratch on the Scratch platform, and it's mainly a coding platform. And today we're going to learn how to make your characters, make your sprites. Yeah, characters in Scratch are called sprites. So on the Scratch platform, there are three parts to it. There's the coding part, that's the default that opens up. There are costumes, which is making your character, and there are sounds. Today we're going to work with making the characters, right? So default, this is the Scratch cat, that's what opens up. Here we have the place where we make our drawings, make our characters. Here we have where our sprites are saved. And here is the costume. So let's say if this cat has, see the cat is standing this way, and if you go here, the legs move. So the different parts of the same character. So let's say if you have a standing character, a sitting character, a walk cycle, or a flying, or something like that, right? Or let's say you want to show a plant that is growing, so you can show it in different parts. It's kind of like animated here in some sense, yeah. So that's the costume part. When we come here, now let's say if I want to start making a new and I want to make a character by myself and start a character. So for that I go to choose a sprite. Here we have the so there are four options. One is choose a sprite from the library, this Scratch library. Here you have all the ones. There's animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, food, and different letters. Yeah. Now let's say we want to make our own. We don't want to, yeah, we want to create our own. So we come back to here, and here we use the paint tool to create our own. This is a surprise. You click it and it'll give you a surprise. Let me just click and show you. Here we get a magic wand, right? There we have a magic wand because I clicked the surprise. And here is upload a sprite. So a sprite that we make and we save it in our folder, we can upload it from here. I'm going to show you now how to make our own sprite. We click on the paintbrush here. We have a blank page here, and here we start to make our own sprite. Now here, to make our own sprite, let's go through these tools. That's the name, that's the color filling, that's the color outlining. This is for grouping, copy, paste, backwards, forwards, delete button. This is a flipping, for flipping our object that is there. Here we have a select arrow. Here we have reshaping, eraser, brush, bucket, alphabet, shape, a rectangle shape, and a line. Here we start to draw first with a brush. Here we have a purple color. Our thickness is 5. Let's increase it, and we draw any random shape with a brush. It's very important that it's joined together very perfectly well, because if let's say I do this and I try, let's say I want to now fill it a color, choose a color, randomly yellow, complementary colors, we take the bucket and we fill it, it will not get filled. But if I take a bucket and I fill this, because the shape is done, it's filled. Now let's see the text tool. I'm just showing you all the different tools that are here. Yeah, this is a text tool. Give me a word. Fantastic. Okay, here we go. Okay, the color is very light, so let's just go with something that's much deeper. And I'm going to write fantastic. Fantastic. Enter. And the arrow, now we can play around with the text that way. So we've covered the paint, how to draw with the paintbrush, color with the bucket. This is how you write with the text. It's a very simple basic text thing where you can just choose all the different fonts that you have. Here we have some Chinese and Japanese. I think we probably need some Hindi at some point. There's a little bit of a curliness, and here, there we go. I like the handwriting. Yeah. This is an eraser, very simple. 40 shows. So let's say 60. My eraser becomes bigger. Let's say if it's 10, my eraser is smaller. Yeah. So I'm just going to say 50 because I want to erase it quickly. And here it's erasing it out. Yeah. And it's jointed. So I've erased the line and it's automatically joined the line. So the eraser, you have the reshaping arrow. Reshaping arrow we touch upon in the next tutorial when we work with our shapes. So we have the circle shape and the square shape, and so these four we will work upon in our next tutorial. Yeah. Alright, see you guys and looking forward to the next one. See ya. Bye. Have fun.